Use your days to power your nights with BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus. This foldable 10-watt panel features the optimal sun system, designed for easy setup to maximize your charge from the sun. An integrated sundial aims the panel, keeping you aligned for direct rays, while the 360 kickstand makes it easy to position from any angle and stabilizes on uneven terrain. Get 10 watts of output and power tablets, phones, and BioLite gear. In peak sunlight, you can fill up a phone in as little as 1 hour. Never miss a drop of sun with Auto Reconnect, which re-engages charging after cloudy skies pass through. The panel features an onboard 3,000 milliamp battery to store the sun for when you need it. On the trail or at your campsite, capture the sun around you and power your next adventure with the BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Meet the E.Flex, an ultra-thin, on-the-go panel. The E.Flex is available in 2 colors with the option to choose between 5 watts and 10 watts. To use the E.Flex, simply connect your USB charging cable into the USB port on the back of the panel. Then connect your USB device of choice. Once under the sun, the E.Flex will begin to charge. The E.Flex can be used hands-free by conveniently attaching it to a tent or a backpack with the included carabiners. It is also possible to mount your E.Flex to a non-tinted window for charging. Secure the suction cups to the E.Flex so that the cups are facing the same side as the panel before attaching it to a window. If you're having any charging issues, please make sure that the E.Flex is in full sunlight. Then, check the charging cable for any rips or tears. The Renogy E.Flex, your new solar sidekick.
When it comes to solar, if you're off by a little, you can actually be off by a lot. This is the SolarPanel 5 series, an ultra-minimal 5-watt panel featuring the optimal sun system, designed for easy setup to maximize your charge from the sun. The integrated sundial aims the panel, keeping you directly aligned to the sun. The 360 kickstand makes it easy to position from any angle and stabilizes uneven terrain. Get a full 5-watt output and power phones, tablets, cameras, and BioLite gear. In peak sunlight, you can fill up a smartphone in as little as 2 hours. Never miss a drop of sun with Auto Reconnect, which re-engages charging after cloudy skies pass through. The solar panel comes in 2 models, the 5 and the 5 Plus. The 5 Plus features an onboard battery to store your energy for whenever you need it. Ultra slim, lightweight, and easy to pack. Set yourself up for maximum charging from the sun with the BioLite Solar Panel 5 and 5 Plus.
We started with a simple idea, that human potential should never be limited by lack of resources. We wanted a way to help people better their own lives. Our very first products were a simple battery, solar panel, and LED light that help people lift themselves out of difficult circumstances, providing them with the basic means to improve their lives. After seeing the impact they had on people, we wondered, where else could our products be of use? We went on to pioneer an entire category of sustainable, portable power solutions engineered to improve life across the vast spectrum of human experience. We help people get out further and stay out longer. Prepare for the unexpected and connect with those who matter most. But we're not stopping here. So long as there are adventures to be had, communities to keep safe, and friends and families to connect with, we'll keep creating new ways to power them. This is Goal Zero. Power anything, anywhere.
The sun goes down almost like clockwork here. 5:30 it's down. In the morning, 5:30 it's up. And in between there's a ton of darkness.
You just wake up, do your job when there is the sunlight. It's monotonous, and they cannot, even if they wanted to educate themselves more, they don't have choice than to do it when there is sunlight.
Everybody has the same needs around the world. You need to have light to read. You need to have energy to communicate. You need to have energy to learn about what's going on around the world. The Light of Village has come from helping people with small things like light, small battery packs, to how do we give them full power in a home to be part of a modern day world. When they purchase a system, what we do is we put the main charging system on our property. We want to be able to reduce the price of the system down to a cost that people can afford. This is a very poor area. So for $100 down payment, they still have more they need to pay over time. They will get 2 lights, an inverter so they can power their AC devices. They'll get a 100 amp hour battery, which with 2 lights that we provide them could provide anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks of light.
The other day we installed in a few houses, and then later that night, the first house we went to was the pastor's house. And he already has a great smile, but when we walked in the door and they flipped on the light, you should have seen him beaming, and his wife got their radio that they plugged in and put it on her head and was just dancing to the music, and they could now read in their living room and, you know, do whatever they needed to. It was an unforgettable feeling.
Pona system wana biso nyonso na mama na bana tozana esengo ke so tozwi yango e bana ko pelisa ndaku na biso e bana ko clairer ndaku.
In today's modern world, if we don't have electricity, we're really at a disadvantage. If you donate, for example, to Light a Life, which is a very small, inexpensive unit, it lights this little hut over here. And it makes a difference in a child's life.
esengo nanga makasi eza pona lumière kaka na kati ya ndako soki butu ekoki mutu na mutu avandi na esika na ye bandi koyekola aza libre.
Anytime that you can help in any way is really important. And to really donate to this cause of what Taifi is trying to do. Get online, look at what we're doing, and give. You know, we can't do this alone.